Hi, I'm Joshua Plashego,
And I'm Hazel Pacheco.
and we are part of the Ministry of Helps here at Wisdom Church of Manila. In 2023, we were invited here to attend dito sa Wisdom Church of Manila a certain conference which is yung Marriage Amplified. That's when our journey began here sa Wisdom Church. We believe na talagang we were led to go to this church to be part of this family. Dito na kami na-engage, o dito na rin kami ikinasal. Nagkaroon kami ng desire to have a child. Noong February last year, I was full with joy talaga na nalaman namin dalawa ni Hazel na positive yung pregnancy test niya. We immediately thank God. Super grateful kami sa blessing na na-receive namin. And then, few weeks later, during our first ultrasound, hindi namin expect na yung lab results would reveal na meron siyang myoma.
Actually, that's the very time na nalaman namin yung about sa myoma. Ano ba to? Parang possible na maging complications niya towards a pregnancy journey.
Yung doctor even said, buntis ka ba talaga? But deep in our hearts, talagang nandun yung belief namin na binigyan na ni Lord yung blessing na pinagpipray namin. Before we got home nung araw na yon, I decided na to invite Hazel and go somewhere. I felt as one in the house, kailangan naming i-reclaim kung ano yung dapat sa amin and to cancel everything na nalaman namin. I-remind yung sarili namin ulit kung ano yung pinangako sa amin ng Panginoon. Isa pa sa mga ongoing concern namin is yung growth ng myoma.
For the context, when a pregnant woman actually has a myoma, nakikiagaw siya nung nutrients na dapat para sa baby lang. Nagkakaroon kami ng anxiety every ultrasound. Hindi namin nire-receive every word na nare-receive namin sa mga consultations namin na high risk yung pregnancy, baka hindi mag-grow totally yung baby, and yung worst is mag-progress pa yung pregnancy into miscarriages.
Fear would come in talaga. Yung mga voices from the enemy about uncertainty, yung doubts, unbelief. So on October 21st, almost a month before nung due date, natulog kami daytime. And then afternoon, ginising ako ni Hazel. Tapos sinabi niya na yung panubigan niya, pumutok na. Tapos nagulat ako kasi actually 35 weeks pa lang yung baby noon. Sabi ko, Lord, ito ba yung kinatatakutan namin? Paano na? Like premature yung anak namin. Paano yun? Like ano yung magiging itsura niya? Paano yung mga physical features niya? So the enemy voices break in. Pero ang ginawa namin nung araw na yun, we only focused kung ano yung talagang pinangako sa amin ng Panginoon. Nandoon yung mga voices, but still we chose faith
Over fear.
over fear. We rushed her to the hospital. At that moment na pumasok kami sa hospital, I was reminded by the Holy Spirit na, anak, ngayon pa lang i-reclaim mo na, mag-declare ka na ng life over death, over curses, ganyan from the enemy. Sabi ko na that time, hindi ko hahayaan na nakawan kami ulit ng kaaway. I declare right now na lalabas kami sa ospital na to. Victorious, healthy, safe yung asawa ko, and our son. In the eyes and timeline ng Panginoon, kumpleto yung full term yung anak namin.
Yes.
Nag-send kagad ako ng mga messages sa mga leaders, sa mga pastors
Sa
natin.
prayer team.
And then I was led na every time I receive a response from them, habang nag-aantay ako sa labas ng operating room, I was led basahin yung mga messages na yon through my voice. As if ako yung taong nagde-deliver ng blessing na yon. Nag-agree ako sa mga recordings na sinesend nila. So it's really like a battle na kahit magkahiwalay kami mag-asawa, nararamdaman namin na nandoon na yung Panginoon. Nandoon na siya bago pa kami dumating. Kahit napaka-sudden ng mga bagay-bagay, sobrang bilis ng pangyayari. Later, lumabas yung doktor, yung OB niya, and then nagulat ako kasi sinabi niya na okay na, successful yung operation.
Safe. There's one.
Safe yung si Hazel kasi nga sobrang critical ng myoma na pag may nagalaw na ugat, it may lead to removal nung entire uterus niya. Nung nagkita yung OB and then yung pediatrician, kinonfirm ang OB sa pedia na, di ba i-incubate yung baby kasi kulang siya ng buwan? kumunot yung noon nung
Pedia.
pediatrician. And she confirmed, sabi niya, ha? Bakit i-incubate mo yung bata? Kumpleto siya. Nagulat ako kasi with all the results, yung facts, yung science, kita talaga namin na 35 weeks pa lang siya. Alam namin talaga na hindi kami pababayaan ng Panginoon. How much more pa yung anak namin. If you are really led to experience and to know
Or
the
desire.
life or desire, the life that God has stored for you,
Alam mo ba, God has a lot good things,
good things and plans.
has a lot of plans, has a lot of favors for you.
We invite you here in our church at Wisdom
Church
Church of Manila.
And God is so ready to experience and see you live an abundant life.